here opens this jelly. And here's the instructions that it teaches how to make it. A really confusing one. And now that I introduced you to it, now let's get started. Now we're going to open it. So guys, this is a small packet. It was inside the bag like a mystery. One's white and it looks pretty different. Then after, pour hot water inside the mixture. Now that I poured in the hot water, now mix it. After it comes to room temperature, you can keep it in fridge. Pour it in some bowls or some molds, whatever you have you can use. You can be creative and you can be whatever you like you can pour in. You can pour in bowls, plates, but be careful, okay? So when it comes to room temperature, you can keep it in fridge. Tastes like a brown. It imagines me like a brown apple.